In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, just open the list of all apps and reach Settings, then find and select Display, and click on Advanced. So once advanced options are enrolled, you will notice Wallpaper, so just click to open and pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be one from Live Wallpapers, Photos, or Wallpapers album. Let me pick, for example, my own photos. And now just pick the picture that you'd like to cover your screen with. So let me pick, for example, this one for home screen, and then let's switch to lock screen. This is how it will look like, but let me at first set this one as home screen, and then we can change the lock screen and cover it, for example, with this or the second picture. Maybe let's pick that one. So also you can customize it as only you want to set it, then tap on confirmation mark and pick lock screen. And as you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen, and also the second one is on your lock screen. So that would be all. This is it. Let me just show you how it looks. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.